Christmas is around the corner, but I'm the worst interior decorator ever! This is a complete holiday fiasco! I obviously have problems with Christmas decorations. I think it's supposed to be like this. There we go! Done! Oh gosh, this is a Christmas fiasco! Santa will never come to a house that looks like this! I need to call some professionals! Do you want to give a surprise in slow-mo? Study the greats! Watch the best ideas, experiments, and crushing in slow motion on Whoa channel! That's great! Don't mess with this girl! And subscribe to Whoa channel! Check the link in the description. Hello, this is Core of Decor. Do you need interior decorations? That's what we do. We're on our way. The situation is worse than we expected. Help me decorate the room for my sister's Christmas party. Look at our portfolio. Do you like anything you see? Ouch! What's that? An LOL doll? What if we make all your Christmas ornaments in LOL style? This is my sister's favorite doll, which means she will definitely like the design. For example, a Christmas wreath. Let's make it LOL-tastic! Attach pink Christmas baubles to a decorative wreath. Add a printed LOL logo and pictures of dolls. Decorate with jingle bells, pine cones, and white and pink beads. Voila! Now the door looks completely different. Keep up the good work. Let's save this party. Let's get to it. For starters, we'll remove this hideous decoration. And now we'll decorate the tree. We'll only use pink LOL colors. Hey, don't you think there's an empty spot right here? A bald spot doesn't look good on a Christmas tree. I left it for our main ornament. This is the most beautiful LOL bauble. Let's put earmuffs onto an LOL doll. Hot glue a glittery foam paper headband. And pom-poms near the ears. Add boots using acrylic paint. Glue the doll into half of a clear plastic ball. Put glitter and artificial snow into the other half. Join the halves and complete the piece with a little Christmas tree. Add a fastener with a bow. Bravo! That's a great design solution! A tiny LOL and a tiny tree! How creative! Let's keep decorating our LOL room. Cushions, pictures, and closet ornaments. Why are there nails sticking out of the wall? We need to find a way to use them. Hang on, I have an idea! LOL party pennants can make any wall look nice. Cut a triangle out of colored cardboard. Make holes with a hole puncher. You need several triangles in the iconic LOL colors. Pass a ribbon through the flags. Join them to make a garland of pennants. Attach LOL letters snowflakes and stars. Add a string of lights. Turn it on. Now this wall looks festive and bright. Holy decor! Look at this pile of boxes. What's hiding in here? Well, let's see. Whoa! It's a fireplace! Who would have thought? Let's make it pink and LOL style. Set up the gifts. And don't forget to hang a Christmas LOL stocking. Cut 2 pieces for a Christmas stocking out of printed pink felt. Attach white felt details. Hot glue the stocking. Attach glittery foam paper LOL letters to the top. Decorate with a fir tree branch and red berries. Glue a ribbon inside. Trace the outline with a pink marker. Now the fireplace looks deserving of Santa. Good job! The room is almost done. But this shelf is missing something. Let's see what we have left. And here they are, big LOL letters. Cut big LOL letters out of Styrofoam. Coat the front with white acrylic paint. Use a sponge to add dots with black acrylic paint. Paint the sides pink. Trace the outline with a black marker. What a great find! These letters look great up here. Let's also decorate the shelf with tulle and balloons. And a Santa hat. This is an amazing LOL photo backdrop. Appropriate tableware is an important part of a nice party. Oh no! All these glasses are of different shapes and sizes. I need to do something about this. I'll DIY glasses just for this party. Cover the foot of a glass with silver foam paper. Tie pieces of tulle to a satin ribbon. Make a little tutu skirt. Trim the edges with scissors. Tie the skirt to the stem of the glass. It turned out to be pretty easy. Now my glasses are perfect for this adorable LOL party. What treat should I cook? Of course, cupcakes! But these little guys look way too boring. How do I make them special? Maybe, unless, what if? Exactly! I know what to do! Whip confectionery cream with a mixer. Add pink food coloring. Put the cream into a pastry bag. Squeeze the icing onto the cupcakes. Cut LOL letters out of white fondant. Decorate them with black fondant dots. Make a candy cane out of red and white fondant. Stick the letters and the canes into the icing. Decorate the cupcake with marshmallows and sprinkles. These cupcakes look way fancier with icing on top. They are so tempting. Oh, the party hasn't started yet. I'll have to wait. All done! The party's about to start. Ta-da! Do you like our LOL decorations? This is amazing! Everything is so LOL. And here's the host of the party. What do you think of our decorations, baby?
They're beautiful! And I have special LOL masks for a photo shoot!
Trace a template of the iconic LOL hairstyle on pink foam paper. Cut glasses out of glittery black foam paper. And bows out of blue. Glue all the pieces together. Cut a mask base out of cardboard and hot glue a stick to it. Attach the mask on top. Decorate with snowflakes and stars. Make more LOL masks the same way. Smile! This hairstyle is perfect for me. This party is going to be a lot of fun. I completely forgot. I have a goodbye gift. This is more than just a surprise. This is a big ball for Christmas ornaments. Paint a big hollow styrofoam ball pink. Create a polka dot pattern on the top part. Attach LOL and doll stickers. Attach magnets for connecting the two halves of the ball. Trace the outlines with a black marker. Whoa! What a nice present! Thanks! You are the best LOL interior decorators! Well, let's see what's inside. Open it!
Wow! It's full of Christmas LOL ornaments!
Shape an LOL baby bottle out of polymer clay. Bake it according to the package instructions. Coat the cap with glue and sprinkle with glitter. Coat the bottle with pearly paint. Decorate with a fir tree branch and snowflakes. Attach a ribbon as a loop. Make a bow and a mitten out of polymer clay the same way. How nice! Let's hang the ornaments on the Christmas tree. And now we can start our LOL party. We are ready! Did you like our LOL Christmas decorations? Then comment below which ideas you'd use for your Christmas party. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new party ideas from Troom.